Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from a laptop to iPhone using USB cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I have my computer running in the background and my iPhone. So what we're going to do first, go ahead and open up your laptop and find Microsoft Store. Okay, open up Microsoft Store and find Apple devices. Okay. Right here, just click on it and just click on get or install. Okay, and once it's installed, go ahead and open up your iPhone. Now on your iPhone device, go ahead and go to App Store. Okay, and find Google Chrome right here. Tap on it and tap on get. Okay, and once it's installed, open it up. Okay, open it up so it will create a folder on your Apple device. Now, once that's done, by the way, Google Chrome right here will be our bridge. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and go back to your laptop, connect your phone to a USB cable to your laptop. Okay, once that's connected, if it's your first time, by the way, you'll have some prompts. Just basically tap on allow. Okay, and once it's all set up, you're going to go back to your computer, open up Microsoft Store, and open Apple devices. Okay, follow simple prompts, and it says here connect a device, and here we have my iPhone. Okay, so what we're going to do in here is just go ahead over to Files. Now select Chrome. Okay, now go ahead and click on Add File. And here just basically browse through your computer and select the photo that you would like to send. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and send this photo right here. I'm going to click on Open, wait for it to load, and then once it's added, go ahead and click on Sync. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and open up your iPhone. And in your iPhone, under Files, you should be able to see, as you can see here, a Chrome folder. And as fast as that, we now have the specific photo. And there you have it. That's how you transfer photos from laptop to iPhone using USB cable. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.